guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing my trash with you. I have been collecting this trash in this Urban Outfitters bag for quite some time, and today I finished up a few products. I put them in this bag and I'm like, you know what, enough is enough. It is time to sit down and film and talk to you about these products. So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Taylor. I make videos related to health, fitness, makeup, beauty, fashion, self-love, and just basically my life. This is a video diary of me. I have been filming YouTube videos for 10 years now. I'm going to be on my 10-year anniversary in August. So if you are new to my channel, I just should briefly say that one of the qualities I would describe myself as is opinionated. When I use that term, I don't want it to be confused with a negative connotation because I think it's great to have opinions about things. I love trying out new products for the sole fact that I get to review them and tell you how the product worked with my skin's chemistry, my hair texture, and so on and so forth. So these are my favorite videos to film. I really don't like wasting money, and so I really rely on YouTube video reviews to know whether these products are worthwhile or if I should just skip over them. Enough intro, let's get into the products. I'm just gonna pull things out in no particular order. The first product, this is a number 7 Beautiful Skin. This is a refreshing toner. I did like this toner. I did not see any dramatic results. I did think that it helped get that final layer of makeup off of my skin once I removed it, but I didn't see anything too crazy about it, and maybe that's not necessarily such a bad thing, that it's just a gentle toner. So if that's what you're looking for, I would recommend this. I finished a sheet mask. This is the Tony Moly Pureness 100 Hyaluronic Acid Mask Sheet. I've mentioned in many videos that I get my sheet masks from Urban Outfitters. They are 4 for $10, I believe. Such an amazing value. These sheet masks are really nice when you just need nights of pampering, you just want to relax. I throw one of these on and I do find that my skin gets 2 usages out of this. So I'll put it on for the designated amount of time and then I'll put it back in the container and put it in the fridge and use it the following day. So definitely bang for your buck right here. This is one of the products I finished today that inspired this video. This is the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. I love this stuff. I purchased this toothpaste time and time again and will continue to repurchase in the future. This is a body lotion which is a little hypocritical to my channel because if you've seen a prior video of mine, it's 5 tips on how to live a more toxic-free lifestyle. It's not using products like this. This is from Bath & Body Works and it is their Sea Island Cotton. This is an artificial product that is not only bad for your skin, but you can tell that it's not that good for you because of how potent the scent is. I used it up because I don't like wasting things, but I would not repurchase at all. A weight has been lifted off my shoulder with this product. This is the Victoria's Secret Lost in Fantasy Refreshing Body Mist. This has notes of passion fruit, Brazilian orchid, and musk. I've had this for way too long. I was so happy to get rid of it. The scent was nice when I bought it, but that was like 7 years ago. At one point, I did exactly what I said not to do in that toxic video, and I was spraying it as a room freshener, but I just really wanted to get rid of it. So it's done, I'm moving on, let's go. I finished a shampoo. This is the Redken All Soft Shampoo. I loved this stuff. I have both the conditioner and the shampoo. Highly recommend. It does exactly that, make your hair soft. So for this, I would tell you to purchase it. If you have not tried it, go out and try it. And it's Carly approved, hairstylist approved, so that's a plus. I'm all finished with this Osea Brightening Serum. I love Osea's products. I follow them on Instagram. I'm always commenting on their pictures because I just think the idea of the brand is so phenomenal. I like that they use natural products. They're vegan, gluten-free. Definitely a brand that is on the rise, and go be one of the first to know about it. Definitely go check them out. This is a hairspray, and I did really enjoy this hairspray, and it came with the shampoo and conditioner in a pack. I purchased it from Salon Centric, so I love when little sets have bonus products in this, and that's exactly what this was. This is the Extreme High Hold Hairspray. It did have a really nice hold. It kept your curls in shape and stayed put. It is a little hard, so if you don't mind that crunchy kind of hairspray feel, then go out and try it, but it doesn't give you that really movable play. Like your hair is gonna stay where you sprayed it. So for that reason, I liked it because I want my curls to stay. I am all finished with the Anastasia. This is the Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. I did like this product, but I think that there's plenty of products that kind of give that same brow pomade feel. Right now I'm using one from Maybelline and it does the job. I don't necessarily think you need to go spend $30 for eyebrow products. But that's just me, and to be honest, I do have relatively nice brows, so it doesn't take much for me to control them. Maybe if you need some extra help and a little more pigment, a little more color to your brows, some texture, maybe you should splurge, but I say try the drugstore one first, see how that works for you. I finished up a oil. This is the Biosense Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. It claims to brighten, firm, and even skin tone and texture. To be honest, this stuff was okay. I used it as a night oil and then I would apply my nighttime moisturizer. It did a nice job. It came to the point where I couldn't get any more out of the bottle. I mean, there's maybe one more use in it. So I decided it was time to get rid of it. It was a decent oil, I will give it that. I'm all finished with a mascara by CoverGirl. This is the Peacock Flare. Really cool packaging. That I can give it some props for. The mascara itself was not good at all, to be honest. I'm not really a fan of CoverGirl. I don't ever stray to their aisle in the drugstore. They just have never really impressed me as a brand, so I can say that that's how this mascara was. It was just not impressive at all. Oh, this does not have a cap on it anymore, but this is the e.l.f. Sangria Starters Lip Crayon. I mean, it was $1. I remember filming this in a haul and featuring it, and I wasn't too thrilled with the pigment of this color. I must say that for $1 or $3, however much this is in the e.l.f. line, this is an amazing product. It adds moisture to your lips and color, so that's something I'm always looking for. I'm that person that I won't have a lick of makeup on, but I will have lipstick on. I always have color on my lips, and this is one of my tried and true go-to colors. Little feminine product in here. This is a Summer's Eve Deodorant Spray. I know that there's mixed opinions about this spray and about Summer's Eve products in general. I have used their wipes, I've used their spray. I don't get irritated by them, but some people do. I'm not saying that this is healthy to use all the time, but every once in a while, if you need to freshen up, this is something I would spray on my underwear. I would never spray this inside of me. Do not start doing things like that. We are not chemists. We do not need to play around with products in that area. So if you just want to freshen up every once in a while, I say, girl, do your thing. This is an Origins face mask. This is the Ginseng Peel Off Mask to refine and refresh. This stuff is crazy. The color of it, when you put it on your face, you look like an orange Tin Man, and it's really hard to get off. I do think it does leave your face with a very nice glowy look to it. I don't know if it's worth kind of the pain you have to go through to take it off, because it is pretty stuck on your face. So one of those products I would definitely use again if it came in a sample size, but I would not repurchase with my own money. I guess this is it. This is the last product, and this is another product I'm really happy to be finished with. This is the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. I remember I bought this in Barcelona, so that's how long ago I've had this. So I've had this for a pretty long time, and there's products coming out of it, so I'm not even gonna show it to you. This is comparable, I would say, to the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzers, which I've been wanting to try, and now that this is all finished, I'm definitely gonna go purchase it. I like to use a matte bronzer to contour my cheeks, and then I'll apply like a glowy, buttery bronzer all over my face for that all over glow. I definitely think that I am ready for a drugstore concept of this product, because for the price, it just wasn't worth it to me. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products, or if there were any products to you recently that have stood out in either a good way or a bad way. I'm dying to know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you then. Bye. Mwah.